Welcome to Psychology Insight. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals seeking freedom from fear and anxiety. Today, discover the powerful secrets to overcoming these emotions and unlocking your true potential. Are you tired of feeling trapped by fear and anxiety? Do you yearn to break free from the shackles of self-doubt and live a life of purpose and passion? You're not alone. Rule 1. Understanding fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety are like shadows that follow us everywhere. But what if you could shine a light on them and make them disappear? It's time to face your fears and take back control. Rule 2. Breathing technique. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and repeat. As you breathe, imagine fresh energy and positivity filling your body. Rule 3. Mindfulness exercise. Notice the sensations in your body, the beating of your heart, the sensation of your feet on the ground. You are present, you are strong, and you are capable. Rule 4. Positive affirmations. Repeat these powerful affirmations with me. I am enough. I am worthy of love and happiness, and I trust myself and my abilities. Believe in yourself and your power. Remember, breaking free from fear and anxiety is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, be kind, and be gentle with yourself. You got this, beautiful soul. Thanks for joining me on this transformative journey. If you resonate with this video, please like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more soul-nourishing content. See you in the next video.